So, and of course, to adapt the digitalization in marine industry, so there are some key challenges that engineer had to face. So, despite the advancement, digitalization faced several implementation hurdles. So, first is data integration and interoperability, cybersecurity and data ownership, workforce skill and digital competence, regulatory and standardization gaps. So overcoming this require collaboration between technology, policy, and human capital. So for the data integration, every ship, port, and operator collect vast data. But we can say the data is in isolation. So without standardized format, this data set can communicate. It's very difficult. So compared to with every country, and even basic health monitoring data like temperature, stress, vibration makes you different coding system, and also lack of standard protocol. So to expand the potential and adaptation of this digitalization, we need to share the data of the architecture and also open standard. Then the risk of cybersecurity and data ownership. So marine system also vulnerable to cyber attack as any IT infrastructure. So the data that gathered by the sensor and all this technology are equally important as any confidential data available. So it comes to question, who control the operational data once it's in the cloud? Ship owner, software provider, or regulator? So digitalization as for today, cybersecurity must be embedded in the design framework, not added as an afterthought. So the risk of the data to be breached is quite similar with the failure of the structure itself. So when we design any framework of the digitalization, we must ensure to design also the safety in IT that related to the data itself. Then we can say that nowadays the technology advanced faster than human capability and policy readiness. So the maritime workforce need upskilling their skill to manage data-driven and AI-enabled system. We don't want operators say that they don't have the skill or knowledge to operate the system that been developed based on digitalization. So at the same time, the regulatory landscape has not kept pace, while authorities and classification society are need to updating standard. Global harmonization remain limited to open their industry to accept their level of upgraded.